It's disconnecting.
It's
What?
Boo.
And how?
And your favorite randomness. Wanna know what's good? Cheesies.
Gum. Cheesy. This ain't gum, is that? Aww. What's on my mouth?
Gum's good too, but I can't find my gum right now.
There it is.
I declared good son. Yeah, I declared
Put on
good
your
son.
funny. I'm putting you on. It might take you a while.
Here's her gum.
Yeah.
It's gonna insert right there.
Oh,
So, should I eat the wrapper? I don't think so. Not edible. Sorry.
Wait, Spikers? Spikers, I thought.
She's a little bit messed. So sorry if you have a child that is in spirit, like,
That experiencing messing.
that is like
Oh my gosh.
wanting in the mood to copy, and then he's acting like this.
Don't do this at home.
Yeah. Bye. For now.
Adios.
Amigo.